Are you among the 70% of Americans who have not yet created an estate plan? I'm here to give you some bad news. California already has an estate plan for you. Estate planning addresses three things. What about me? What about my stuff? And what about the people I leave behind? What about my minor children? Number one, what about me? California's plan for you is conservatorship. That means that someone who hopefully loves you and isn't just trying to control you would become in charge of making your healthcare decisions and managing your affairs. All of this would happen in an open court process, and all of your frailties would be explained in open court. Number two, my stuff. If you do nothing, your stuff will pass through the probate court. That means that lawyers and whoever the judge appoints as an executor get paid. There is judicial oversight. Everybody will know every penny you had and every penny you owed. And maybe, worst of all, everyone will know how much your heirs are receiving, and it puts them in a bit of a danger zone. Number three is, what about my children? Well, for minor children, they will be placed where it is necessary and convenient until a guardianship proceeding can be held. I don't know what necessary and convenient might mean to the officer who comes to your house and finds your children there with a teenage babysitter and doesn't really know what else to do other than call CPS. So you have an estate plan. It's provided for you by the state of California. It's expensive and it's traumatic, and we can all do a little bit better. My name is Patricia DeFonte. I'm the founder of DeFonte Law, where we practice estate planning with art. We work with clients on Zoom all over California, and this month is Estate Planning Awareness Month. Well, for me, every month is Estate Planning Awareness Month. Please tell 2 friends that you are thinking about estate planning.